Blood on my clothes and my fist from the fight. Think he died. Cross up my list as I stray from the light. Out of time.
The thing that annoys me the most is when they all start speaking Afrikaans, and I mean, like, we're trying to work together, you know?
You know, I can imagine.
So you guys haven't always been stereosis, have you?
We used to be called the bipolar bears.
Yo, can we roll that from the top? I wasn't feeling that one, bro.
Stereosis really works better for us as a band, you know.
Still actually really like that name.
Boys, like I don't mean to be a party pooper or anything, but how we getting home?
Where's Henry?
He left the other chick from the other band.
Yeah, nice.
He's gone. Yeah, but how we getting home?
Yo, what's up? We're Stereosis.
I think the name suits us.
Look, we own it, man, okay? We all really jam well together, and I think we're gonna be the next big thing.
Ah, nee, jammer. Dis nou nie my cup of tea nie. Maar ek kan vir julle 'n bietjie so 'n bietjie inspireer met 'n paar Afrikaanse treffers. Waar sy Bobby? Laat ons speel. Dis nou musiek vir julle, né? Hæ? Wat dink julle?
Yeah, it's something, man.
Quite interesting, yeah, definitely.
Oh, daai stem.